Any other team? Saints, Niners? Jets? I'm not. You try to take a couple of receivers off. We don't have the 49ers fan next to us.
Allegiant Stadium, located in Paradise, Nevada, just southwest of the Las Vegas Strip, is one of the most modern and recognizable sports and entertainment venues in the United States. Opened in 2020, the stadium serves as the home field for the NFL's Las Vegas Raiders and the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, UNLV, Rebels football team. It was built as part of Las Vegas's broader effort to become a major hub for professional sports and large-scale events, transforming the city's identity beyond tourism and gaming. Beyond football, Allegiant Stadium is designed as a multi-purpose venue capable of hosting a wide range of events, including major concerts, international sporting events, college football championships, and global spectacles like the Super Bowl. It has already hosted high-profile events and continues to attract large crowds, contributing significantly to Las Vegas's economy and global reputation as an entertainment capital. The venue includes premium suites, large video displays, and flexible event spaces, making it suitable for everything from corporate gatherings to massive live performances.
Al Davis always said that the greatness of the Raiders is in its future. And that's what this stadium is, folks. This is the future of the Raiders and professional football.
Architecturally, the stadium incorporates unique elements that reflect the identity of the Raiders franchise and the city itself. A prominent feature inside is the Al Davis Memorial Torch, a towering tribute to the team's former owner. The stadium also includes large operable walls that can open to reveal views of the Las Vegas Strip, blending indoor comfort with the city's iconic skyline. Overall, Allegiant Stadium stands as a symbol of modern sports architecture and a centerpiece in Las Vegas's evolution into a major sports destination. The stadium is a fully enclosed, climate-controlled facility with a base seating capacity of about 65,000, which can expand to more than 70,000 for major events like the Super Bowl. Its design features a distinctive black glass exterior and a translucent roof that allows natural light while protecting spectators from the desert heat. One of its most innovative features is the retractable natural grass field used for NFL games, which can roll outside the stadium to receive sunlight, while an artificial surface is used for other events. Construction of Allegiant Stadium began in November 2017 and was completed in July 2020 after roughly 31 months of work. The project cost approximately $1.9 billion, making it one of the most expensive stadiums ever built. It was developed through a partnership involving the Raiders organization, private financing, and public funding from the state of Nevada. The stadium's rapid construction timeline is notable, as it was completed in time for the 2020 NFL season, despite challenges such as the COVID-19 pandemic. The Las Vegas Raiders franchise was founded in 1960 as a member of the American Football League, originally based in Oakland, California. After a difficult first few seasons, the team rose to prominence under head coach and later owner Al Davis, who took over in 1963. Davis emphasized a philosophy of toughness, speed, and a vertical passing game, helping transform the Raiders into one of the most successful and feared teams in professional football. By the late 1960s, Oakland had become a consistent contender, winning multiple division titles and appearing in Super Bowl II. The Raiders' greatest period of success came in the 1970s and early 1980s. Known for their rebellious image and the famous "commitment to excellence" motto, the team captured 3 Super Bowl championships: Super Bowl XI, Super Bowl XV, and Super Bowl XVIII. During this era, the franchise featured legendary players such as Ken Stabler, Marcus Allen, and Howie Long. In 1982, the team relocated to Los Angeles, becoming the Los Angeles Raiders, before returning to Oakland in 1995. Following their return to Oakland, the Raiders experienced mixed success. They reached Super Bowl XXXVII during the 2002 season, but lost decisively. After that appearance, the franchise endured a prolonged period of struggles, including frequent coaching changes and losing seasons. Despite this, the Raiders maintained a loyal fan base and a strong cultural identity, rooted in their historic image of toughness and defiance. 2020, the team relocated once again, this time to Las Vegas, Nevada, becoming the Las Vegas Raiders. The move marked a new chapter for the franchise, with a state-of-the-art home at Allegiant Stadium. While still building toward consistent success on the field, the Raiders remain one of the most iconic and recognizable franchises in the NFL, known for their passionate fans, distinctive silver and black branding, and enduring legacy in professional football.
We don't have the 49ers today. Any other team? Saints, Niners? Jets?